Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video is all about the Addi Novel ergonomic knitting needles. I was able to get my hands on the 4.5 millimeter size, 150 centimeter total length. Okay, so apparently these are lace needles with ergonomic design for effortless holding and knitting. I saw a picture on Instagram the other day of a knitter using these needles, and I had no idea that there was such a thing as ergonomic needles. So I absolutely had to get these. With the design and the shape, you can see that there are little dents on the needles. They're kind of dented, very pretty actually, very unique. The body of the needles are kind of squarish with the dents, and the tips are just like regular Addi needles. I'm going to try these out. While I'm casting on and trying to get the feel of the new needles, I am going to read something from the Addi website. Apparently, they alleviate pain and reduce the pressure and stress of your hands are exposed to while you are knitting. Also, during knitting, the combination of square, smooth, and structured needles feels like a small massage for fingers and hands. This stimulates blood circulation. For now, I'm just going to knit a couple of rows and see how it feels. So far, so good. I like how light they are compared to other knitting needles. Like, they're aluminum, but they feel like they're gonna break soon. They won't. They're really good. They're not gonna break, but they're so lightweight that they seem a little delicate compared to the other needles that I have. The dents aren't really stopping the stitches from, they're not getting stuck. They're moving easily across the needles. I'm not even halfway through the row and I'm actually having fun. This was supposed to be like, I'm supposed to knit a couple of rows and then come back to the video, but I just had the urge to comment right away on how these are really smooth. So we got a row of knit stitches. Let's do some purl stitches now. I'm not a super fast knitter, but I'm fast enough. So we're almost through the row. These are fun. I wish I could have gotten them in a shorter cord length too. This one is 150 centimeter. It's safer to have a bigger cord length because you never know what projects you're gonna work on. Okay, so now I'm 2 rows into my work after the cast on, and look at how smooth. They're like, these needles are awesome. I'm gonna work with these for a few more rows and then I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so I knit 4 rows and let me just show you what the work looks like with the normal tension that I use with the same kind of yarn, and I am loving it. Actually, they might just turn out to be my new favorite needles. So the bottom of the needle shows the size in millimeters and in US, 4.5 millimeters and US size 7. So people who end up throwing away the packages of the needles, it's fine if you throw it away. You're still going to know the needle size, but you're not going to know the cord length, so don't throw it away. And then there's people like me who keep the original packaging for years and years. These needles cost 37 dirhams back in 2010, 2011, I guess. I even have like the original stamp from the shop. I will see you back in another video. So, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.